Litecoin has been the third digital currency by market capitalization for quite a while. This crypto coin basically has been dynamic for more than 9 years at this point and has figured out how to find success for the majority of this period. Right now, it is as yet positioned among the main 30 digital forms of money by market cap, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Recently, there has been a ton of talk occurring about how Litecoin has tumbled off. These days, all moving tokens are either connected to serious areas of strength for, by and large, bring a great deal to the table other than being a store of significant worth, or in a real sense are essentially sufficiently eccentric to be seen by tycoons. In spite of having a strong specialized establishment, Litecoin doesn't actually have any of those things. Notwithstanding, this digital currency is as yet pressing onward, and we are probably going to essentially see the cost and market cap of Litecoin rise again from here on out. In this article, we'll investigate Litecoin's basics and its possibilities as a drawn-out speculation. Kindly especially recall that our LTC cost expectation doesn't comprise speculation counsel, and you ought to generally do your own examination prior to concluding regardless of whether it's a wise venture. What is Litecoin? Litecoin is a sort of decentralized shared digital money made by Charlie Lee, a previous Google worker, in 2011. The LTC network was intended to tackle its senior siblings' organization issues, for example, exchange speed, adaptability, and sort of high commission expenses for each monetary exchange made on the blockchain. Litecoin used to be one of the primary digital forms of money individuals learned of when they entered the market. As a fork of Bitcoin, the LTC network especially depends on the BTC convention. A portion of the things they share for all intents and purpose are obscurity, decentralization, the capacity to be mined, and the agreement system. In 2016, Litecoin turned into the second greatest digital money, surpassing all current altcoins around then. The task pointed not exclusively to support the pace of Litecoin's cost development, yet additionally to explicitly advance LTC as a trustless distributed mode of trade. Computerized resources like Ethereum, which were more mechanically progressed than the Litecoin digital currency, pulled in substantially more crypto financial backers. These days, LTC truly is as yet utilized for speedy and by and large modest exchanges. However, a ton of Litecoin expectations express that the coin needs kind of more extensive reception and more organizations to sparkle genuinely. A purchase signal implies that Litecoin's cost is supposed to ascend soon, which is very huge. A sell signal implies that the coin is probably going to decrease in esteem soon. This kind of investigation is the most appropriate for momentary cost expectations. Litecoin Value Expectation 2022, which generally is very critical. As per the specialized examination of Litecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Litecoin will be $71.38. The most extreme level that the LTC cost can reach is $76.84. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $74.09. LTC value figure for November 2022. In light of the value variances of Litecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the sort of typical LTC pace of $71.24 in November 2022, which is very huge. Its especially least and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $65.13 and at $73.28 individually. December 2022, Litecoin value estimate, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cryptographic money specialists are certainly prepared to explicitly report their estimate for the LTC cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost could sort of be $71.38, while the most extreme could reach $76.84 during this month, which is very critical. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Litecoin may be around $74.09. Litecoin Value Expectation 2023, which is genuinely huge. After the examination of the costs of Litecoin in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Litecoin will sort of be around $101.60 in an essentially large manner. The most extreme expected LTC cost might be around $122.54. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $104.57 in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Litecoin Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Litecoin, in 2024, LTC is supposed to sort of have the accompanying least and most certainly greatest cost, about $147.76 and $174.80. Separately, or so they especially thought. The typical expected exchanging cost is $151.93 in a significant manner. Litecoin Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency for the most part have examined the costs of Litecoin and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base LTC cost could drop to $216.86, while its most extreme can especially reach $251.31 in an unpretentious manner. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $222.94. Litecoin Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Litecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying really greatest and least LTC costs are normal in 2026, $384.81 and $309.67, which is genuinely huge. Overall, it will be exchanged at $320.82. Litecoin Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Litecoin in a significant manner. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical LTC cost will essentially be around $484.62. It could drop to an especially least of $468.57. However, it actually could reach $556.28 all through 2027. Litecoin Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Litecoin. It is assessed that LTC will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $679.93 and $828.96 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $704.17 during the year, in spite of mainstream thinking. Litecoin Value Forecast 2029. Digital currency examiners are for the most part prepared to report their assessments of the Litecoin's cost, or so they by and large thought. The year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the greatest LTC cost of $1,190.74. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $958.64. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $993.85. Litecoin Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Litecoin cost, crypto specialists are prepared to sort of give their LTC cost assessment to 2030. It will by and large be exchanged for no less than $1,352.75, with the conceivable greatest tops at $1,674.62. By and large, you can anticipate that the LTC cost should be around $1,402.45 in 2030. Litecoin Value Forecast 2031. Cryptographic money investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Litecoin's cost. The year 2031 will in every practical, not entirely set in stone by the greatest LTC cost of $2,379.75. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $2,007.45. All in all, the normal typical exchanging cost is $2,077.57. Would it be advisable for me to purchase Litecoin or Ethereum? Both ETH and LTC are high-risk, high-reward resources, in spite of prevalent thinking. Despite the fact that Ethereum would ordinarily be a superior fit for most portfolios, you ought to investigate both of these crypto resources before you make up reasonably your brain.